What lessons can the individual investor learn from Evergrande, and how can they help you? Let's take a closer look. According to the Wall Street Journal, Evergrande in 2020 had revenue that was over $78 billion. To put that big number into perspective, according to Worldometer, Evergrande's 2020 revenue was larger than 120 individual countries' GDP out of over 190 countries worldwide. Evergrande is described as having a mountain of debt. Now, regardless of whether they're too big to fail, the end result of them being bailed out or not, the lessons remain the same. It doesn't matter how big or small you are, having an overconfidence bias tends to lead to taking on excess risk and the inability to identify one's own weaknesses. Never abandon your risk management strategies. And in fact, in my experience, it's when you're at the seemingly unstoppable peaks that's when you need your risk management strategy the most. It doesn't matter how much money you have or how much money you make, you are never too big to fail. It's really important, especially when you become so large, that you stay humble. This allows you to accept mistakes, keep an open mind, and also encourage you to maintain those risk management strategies that I mentioned earlier. Taking risks is part of life. In fact, it's necessary to achieve any kind of success. But those risks need to be calculated and they need to be within balance. I'm Hilberry. Thank you so much for listening.